To make another walking stick. I already cut a bunch of the top. It was hollow. It's the same type of tree. I think it's like a Russian pine or something. I can't remember what they said. But it's all full of burrs. This top part's going to look cool. Look at all that figure in there. Try to just sand that down instead of just cutting pieces off of it. It'd be cool if it was a little bit straighter, but I think it's still okay. Anybody want to buy it, let me know. Appreciate y'all. Try to clean this up real quick. A few minutes later, I got it done pretty good, at least for now. Thing is dusty, even me. Time to go see if I can get some more deer. Hope you're having a good one. Appreciate y'all. I'm wasting a bunch of time on this stick again. I've taken it down a lot. I used a brand new one. I hadn't got a new one before, so I was thinking I wasn't going to get it off, but it was because the other ones are just old. They don't last that long, but they're cheap. So it's about perfect right here for my hand. I kind of wish I could, well, not wish, would want to put some epoxy all around and make it round and, you know, have all this stuff filled in. But what for? Waste money, waste time. I think I'm going to sand it with this sanding piece that I have on here for this grinder. Goes through it a lot quicker. But I think that's pretty good. Get back to it. Appreciate y'all. Got it shaped pretty well. I'm going to sand it with this. Sands real well. 320. This stuff you can sand with almost any grit, and it's going to sand all the way down to that grit, like really easy. So, but I have more of these 320, so I'm using 320. Get dusty again. Appreciate y'all. Really wanted to fill this in with epoxy. I thought it could look cool. It's got a hole going down through here, so there'll be some light going in there. But you know, I'm not selling any of these, so maybe once I start selling some, I'll start putting more money into them. Here we go. Pulling it up. Damn, it's beautiful. It's going to take a lot. I'm going to try to find one that's a lot thicker, because I like to be able to get it all down to that. You can see all the, I don't only like these, the main reason I like them is because they have burrows all over them, so that the figure in them is just crazy. That's one of the main reasons I like to use these, but they're also really like hard, and they're different shapes, so I like that too. Dang, look at that. I'll finish this and I'll show it all at once. Here it is, folks. I'm gonna try to still really wet. Love all the figuring and all this. Like I said, this is going to be real highly figured. For sale. Appreciate y'all.